Hi everyone, welcome to Module 3, Topic 1, Malware Analysis Overview. The study of the functionality, purpose, origin and potential impact of malicious software is called malware analysis. In this module, we will be looking at how data science and machine learning can help us automating certain parts of the malware analysis. However, we have to understand one fact very clearly that the data science and machine learning can help us, but still rely heavily on extracting meaningful features from the data. So, garbage in, garbage out. If we are not able to extract good features from the malicious binaries, the data science or machine learning cannot help us. Now, when we see the malware, these malware exist as binaries, and binaries by their nature are obfuscated and difficult to extract information from them. Binaries data is itself meaningless. So, because it is not human readable and or intended for direct machine execution, profiling the characteristic and behavior of the malware then becomes a process of reverse engineering. So, we have to reverse engineer the malware in order to extract the useful features from it. So, in a nutshell, the purpose is to figure out what it is doing as if we had access to its high level code. What is the process of feature generation? So, machine learning system is only good as the quality of the inputs data. As I mentioned earlier, garbage in, garbage out. Before applying a machine learning algorithm, raw data requires a plan for data collection, cleaning, and validation. And the entire process of collecting and gathering the data into a format suitable for input into algorithms. We also do software reverse engineering, and reverse engineering a binary is actually to understand its functionality, its purpose, and even try to have its origin as well. By understanding how a piece of software works and identifying properties unique to its function. So we can design better features that will help machine learning algorithm generate better predictions.